Hey there, Fire TV enthusiasts. Experiencing overheating issues with your Amazon Fire TV stick? You're in the right place. This guide will explain how to fix Amazon Fire TV stick heating issues and keep your streaming device running smoothly. Just like any electronic gadget, your Fire TV stick can sometimes get too hot, affecting performance and longevity. But don't worry. With a few easy tweaks and adjustments, you can keep your device cool and avoid further complications. Step 1. Ensure proper ventilation. First things first, you want to ensure your Amazon Fire TV stick can breathe. Make sure the device is placed in a well-ventilated area. Avoid enclosing it within tight spaces or placing it behind large TV setups where airflow might be restricted. If possible, use an HDMI extender to position the Fire TV stick away from the back of your television, allowing more air to circulate around it. This can significantly help in dissipating heat, keeping the device temperature low. Step 2. Unplug when not in use. One of the simplest and most effective methods to cool down your Fire TV stick is by unplugging it when it's not in use. This not only prevents unnecessary energy consumption, but also provides a break for your device from running continuously. Over time, constant operation without breaks can cause overheating. By unplugging the device, you can help extend its lifespan and maintain better performance. Step 3. Limit intensive streaming. Streaming high-quality 4K or Ultra HD content can demand a lot from your Fire TV stick and contribute to heating issues. If you notice the device getting hot frequently, try reducing the video quality settings where possible. Selecting a lower resolution can ease the burden on your device's processor, thus preventing overheating. This might also result in quicker loading times and less buffering, enhancing your overall viewing experience. Step 4. Update software regularly. Software updates often include bug fixes and performance enhancements that can help alleviate overheating. Ensure your Fire TV stick's software is up to date. Navigate to the Settings menu, select My Fire TV, then About, and choose Check for Updates. Installing the latest updates will ensure your device has the most recent optimizations and fixes, possibly addressing any underlying causes of heat accumulation. Step 5. Use an external cooling solution. If all else fails, consider investing in an external cooling solution. Small fans or heat sinks designed for electronics can be attached to your Fire TV stick to draw away excess heat more efficiently. While this might seem like an extreme measure, it can be beneficial for users who frequently experience overheating issues despite trying the aforementioned steps. Overheating can be a nuisance, but by following these steps, you can address your Fire TV stick's heating issues effectively. By ensuring proper ventilation, unplugging the device when it's not in use, limiting high-resolution streaming, staying on top of software updates, and considering external cooling solutions, you can enjoy a smoother, more reliable streaming experience. Remember, keeping your device cool not only improves performance, but also extends its lifespan. Happy streaming.